Γεια σας όλοι. I just wanted to let everyone know that I am okay. It's been a very long time since I've posted here on YouTube. I have not disappeared, and I have not discovered a secret time machine that would enable me to travel back to the revolution of the 21st of April. So I'm still here with the rest of you. Speaking of the 21st, I actually had a very, very good holiday, which I planned on talking about much earlier. But every time I made the video, something went wrong. Either the microphone was too low, or the phone rang, or something happened, or I just rambled and rambled. But anyway, it was really nice. I got up at the crack of dawn, 6:09 a.m., and took my shower, and then came back into the sitting room and listened to Ethnikos Hymnos, which is the national anthem, and Hymnos της 21ης Απριλίου, which is the hymn of the 21st of April. And that is how I started my day. And then I dived headlong into a big cup of coffee because I actually gave up coffee for the week prior to the 21st in order to... It was symbolic. I mean, I knew that it wouldn't really do anything, but it was to honor those who have sacrificed their lives for our country, of course, our national saviors, and those who just, they don't have things that everyone takes for granted. All the people today who are without the basic necessities of life, you know, and the reason I chose coffee was because it's something that I truly love. So, I had that on that day. I read a lot about the revolution, and actually a bunch of articles from Time magazine, because I had subscribed to a 1-week pass, so I read a lot of those, and I read a couple of things in Wikipedia, and I listened to some speeches, and I also celebrated Πολεμική αρετή των Ελλήνων, which is the martial virtues of the Greeks, and I started that on the Friday, which was the 19th, and basically read a bunch of different things about... Well, I watched, I shouldn't say I read, now I'm lying here. I watched a video on the Trojan War that was about a 5-hour long documentary, and it was called In Search of the Trojan War. It was truly wonderful, and I highly recommend it, even though it came from the 80s, and, you know, some of the research, I'm sure, has now been updated. It's still really worth a watch. It's far better than most of the documentaries I've seen, because the author, the host of it, Michael Wood, really put effort into it by going to all of these places. And then I watched something on Sparti from ancient times, and I was going to read about World War II and the Civil War and then the Revolution, but as I said, once the 21st came, I just sort of delved into that. But, so that was it. That was my 21st, and I also got a new microphone, which actually came with a camera, which I'm not using right now because the camera, it does the same thing that I'm doing right now, which is a black screen, so I always cover the camera anyway, so it doesn't matter. This is just a screen capture. But I like this new microphone because it doesn't have a clip like the other one that I was using, the ATR 4650 from Audio-Technica. It's a very nice little lapel mic, but the clip is extremely flimsy and weak, and the minute you hit into something, like, for example, I kept putting mine down and the cord kept going under the clip until it just made it weak, and now that's the second one of these that I broke. So this one actually has, it's an earpiece that hooks over your ear, and I actually have it hooked to my normal headphones that I'm using right now. And the microphone is part of the wire that just hangs down, so there's no problem with a clip or anything else. So anyway, that's all. Nothing else, at least for this video. I hope that all of you enjoyed the first day of summer, and I look forward to many more wonderful days in the future, although nothing really patriotic is coming up until the 4th of August. We do have the 27th of June, which is a horrible day because that's when we lost Colonel Papadopoulos. That's certainly not a day to celebrate. But as far as celebrations, we don't really have anything coming up until... Oh, then we have the... Oh, yes, we do. No, that's on the 16th. The death of Ioannidis is on the 16th to celebrate. Unfortunately, the death of Colonel Makarezos is on the 3rd of August, so it's kind of like cry and then the next day celebrate, so... Anyway, enough from me. This is what I mean by rambling.